of woman. I'm that type of woman. I'm that type of woman. Listen, I'm the type of woman, not any type of woman, the type of woman that'll go out and get it. And I ain't with that shoo-shoo and all that gossiping. Ain't worried what's in your pockets. I'm just minding my business. You see, I'm the type of woman, not any type of
The next day.
Hey, Shan. Wear your seatbelt. Morning. How are you? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And I think this is going to be another day in the vlog. So I am taking baby boy to school. I've decided to give the dad a break. My husband has been trying shame. All this while he was the one who was now taking Rachel to school, because I was really not sleeping well, because Reese was being fussy at night. So yeah, I would be very exhausted to even try and wake up in the morning and prepare, then take Rachel to school. So my darling husband ended up being the one to prepare Rachel and take him to school for weeks now. So yeah, but on days that I would wake up and help him get Rachel ready. But on some days, it was hard, because I would wake up around 9. I was really exhausted. I was not sleeping. But lately, he is no longer that fussy. So yeah, at least I'm getting, like, if I do wake up at night, you guys want to fall. If I do wake up at night, I think it's once or twice. It's much better than what I usually did. So I am getting enough rest, and now I am waking up earlier. These days I'm waking up around 6, so I'm getting my sleep and I wake up energized. So yeah, that's good. So yeah, let's take baby boy to school. Hi guys, so I am now at Pick and Pay. I want to look for a new mop for the rest of the house, because the old one it has served its time, and I also want to change it entirely to make it a bathroom mop. So I'm here to just look for that mop. I'm surprised that Pick and Pay has opened already. I thought they opened at 8, but anyways, that's good for me because now my day can start early. If I leave this place early, then I can start my day early. So yeah, let's go and buy this mop and go back and sort that house out. I do have some laundry to do. Yeah, I do have some laundry and some laundry to fold. You know, guys, it's a lot. Yesterday I did not eat properly because I spent the whole day hungry, right? So when I cooked, and I could not really eat semunanga. So I don't think I will eat because so I think I'm going to eat noodles, and I'm just going to get bread inside for my main. So yeah, guys, let's go. Riz, dosera embo. Ew. Riz. Hey guys, so I came back home a while back, around 8. Remember, we went to Pick and Pay at 7:45. So I came back around 8. Came back, did my chores off camera, then fed baby boy. So now I want to make some breakfast. So yesterday I made some creamy pasta and prawns. So we have some leftovers. I'm going to heat that up. I'm also going to make some noodles for me because I am craving some noodles. I'm also so hungry because I did not eat properly yesterday. I'm also so hungry, but yeah, let's deal with the hunger now. So I want to make some noodles, and yeah, I had bought these wraps when I went to campaign earlier. I bought these wraps. I wanted to make some breakfast for my man, but he said he'll be okay with the leftovers. So I think we're going to make dinner with this. Yeah, we are definitely going to make a dinner with this. I'm going to make some delicious wraps at night, some chicken wraps. Yeah, we're going to make some chicken wraps. Yeah. Guys, look at my arms. Anyways, let's make some noodles, and after that we go and edit tomorrow's video, and yeah, we'll see how the rest of the day goes. I'm doing laundry. If you hear some noise, I'm doing laundry, and this is, I think, my second batch today, and we have more batches to load. So yeah, that's that. Yeah. I guess let's spend the day together. So let me show you the noodles that I want to make because they are quite new. So these are the noodles. I've never had these before, so I hope that they are nice. I've got these at Spa, hoping that they are nice, okay, because I don't want to have wasted my money. So we're going to make some of those and some red onion for breakfast. Baby boy ajga kongosara nina did to eat. So yeah, I'm also defrosting my chicken over there. Yeah, over there. 4 beds that I need to defrost, cut, pick. So yeah. No. Yeah. Hey guys, I know I look a mess. I look a mess. I don't know what's happening with my skin. Yes, I look a mess, Reshan. Mommy looks a mess. We are out by the shopping center. No, stop it. We are by Hungry Lion. We want to get some dinner. Guys, I look so... I don't know. Also want to get some dinner by Hungry Lion, but it's so packed, guys. The queue there is like very long. So there is someone at our home who is fumigating because cockroaches, guys. My pet nets. No matter how tidy you are, no matter how much you clean that space, no matter how you fumigate. I think we have fumigated that place, I think 4 times now. Since we moved in May, we've fumigated our place 4 times now. And each time we only have a little bit of calm. I think for about a week or 2 tops, 2 weeks tops, and then they start coming back. But the last time when we went to my birthday getaway, we fumigated. That's in September, right? We fumigated when we went for my birthday getaway, but most of them did not die. Like, they just found places to hide and they did not die. And after Mushongawa Pera, they started coming out now. And now they were now worse, okay? Even new breeds. So yeah. So this time around we looked for someone to like properly fumigate the place. There's this guy that we know that we looked for to come and properly fumigate the place. So he is at home right now. He's fumigating the place, and he said 3 years guarantee without seeing any cockroaches. He said we're not going to see them die, we're not going to but they're just going to disappear from the house. Daddy's coming. He's not coming yet. Yeah, he's not coming yet. But he'll come manje. Oh, I was saying, so yeah, he's fumigating the place, and he said 3 years guarantee. Yeah, so 3 years without seeing a cockroach, that's going to be huge. Even a year without seeing a cockroach, that will be good for us, because those things, why am I even wearing a seatbelt? So yeah, that's what's happening. So he said I will have to wash. Daddy's coming there. Daddy's coming. Hello. No, stop it. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! What color is your t-shirt? What color is this that you're wearing? What color is your t-shirt? Blue. Yay! What is your name? We are home now. The fumigation is done. So I don't know, and guys, I would have to, I don't know if I'll have to clean windows, but also fumigating the windows and spraying whatever they were spraying on the windows. So this is the state of my windows now. You see those lines? Yeah, that is the state of my windows now. Do I have to clean these windows now? My daddy! I don't. It's chaos, I tell you. And guys, I have a throbbing headache. It's so bad. It's so bad. Thank God I don't have to cook today because, yeah. Hey guys, so it's a Saturday and I did not vlog from morning. I'm only picking up my camera now because I need to talk to you guys. So today we spent the day either in our car or outside, right? There are even some chairs outside and some stuff because we had someone cleaning our house, like our entire house, because yesterday the place was fumigated and all. So yeah, it was really dirty. What made it dirty is the fumigation stuff. I don't know the chemicals that they use. They dilute it in water and then they spray the whole house. So he was spraying everywhere. He was spraying everywhere. The dining, the coffee table, the TV stand, the fridge, the washing machine, inside the cabinets, inside the wardrobes. He was spraying. Okay, he sprayed everywhere. Though I need to wipe the items in my wardrobe because I told the lady that she can leave those. I'll wipe them on my own. So yeah, she worked. She was cleaning everywhere, washing the dishes, taking everything out of the cabinets and all that. So now she's done and she's gone. So now I'm inside the house finally. I felt like I was in prison, not being able to be in my house. Please excuse this. It's a lot. So yeah, so I just needed to give you that update to say yeah, and now we need to see is it truly going to be 3 years or what. That is if we are still at this place. So yeah, welcome to another day in the vlog, I guess. I don't think today we'll be doing anything. Yeah, I don't think so. I still need to put back the foodstuffs inside because the storage bin had been emptied and fumigated as well, so it was cleaned. So now I need to return everything in there, the foodstuffs in there and all, but I'll do that at night, I guess. Now I just need to sit here and suck it in because I missed just sitting. I'm watching Sharon. Yeah, that's the update, guys. I'll catch you later. And the stuff finally got delivered. Hi guys, how are you doing? So I'm currently editing this video that you're watching right now, and I'm realizing I did not do a proper intro because I thought we'll continue vlogging, but I ended up not continuing with the vlogging. So here I am to close off today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you did enjoy this video. Don't go away without liking this video or leaving a comment in the comment section. Let's spark and start a conversation, okay? And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and joining the royal squad, the royal family. We're on the road to 3,000 subscribers, and it can only happen if you guys make it happen, okay? So yeah guys, also do not skip the adverts, guys. Any advert that you are seeing is legit, it's real. Okay, our monetization is back on, so please do not skip the ads. Okay, and yeah, thank you so much for the support, guys. Thank you for always supporting your girl. And yeah, soon enough I think we'll start filming for Vlogmas very soon. Today is the 16th of November, so we have to start somehow preparing for Vlogmas because we're also taking part in Vlogmas. Okay, so yeah, I know Vlogtober did not end well, but I promise that I'll make it up for you, make it up to you in Vlogmas. Yeah, so yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.